quarter-ton trucks. Help me grow my channel by liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel. Thanks. Okay, here goes. Ready?
Okay. Hold on. Get this up a little bit. Up. Okay. Okay. We're let me see. We're in on this side. Hold on. All right. We might have to
Push it over a little
jack
bit.
the back up a little bit once we start going in to get it too.
Yeah.
Okay, it needs to come, yeah, the back needs to come up on your end. Pick up on my side, the back of it. Like, hold on. Okay. Okay, now it needs to come up, you know what I mean? Like, it almost needs to be jacked up a little bit because it's off at an angle. Yep. Then you need to pick up that way.
I need to pick it up?
Yeah.
So the front of yours needs to go down?
The front needs to go down, yeah. Okay, it's looking in there. Okay, now, okay, push. There you go. Keep pushing, baby. Oh, baby, I love you. Okay, let's make sure it's not gonna roll off these fucking decks, man. Okay, keep going. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, keep coming.
I'm getting tired. I'm old.
Okay, hold on. I think our best bet would be to put a jack underneath the rear end and just lift it a little bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, there's a jack right here.
Yeah.
This is like a shop or something.
Done.
I don't know. Does it do anything?
It's coming. I mean, it's only like, it's like an inch away.
It's like below the pubic hairs. Isn't that kind of an inch cushion anyway, right?
Okay, there went a little more. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. Okay, keep going. We're almost there. Okay, keep going. Just a little more. Do what you're doing. You're doing good.
Hang on. I forgot. I don't have my gloves on.
I mean,
Stronger.
Actually, you know what? Give me a screwdriver. I could probably.
Okay. Screwdriver?
Let me see here. You see how where I'm at? Here?
No. I'm back here in the cheap seats.
Okay, hold on. Don't shake it.
Oh God.
Let me go get on the other side.
I'm a lot stronger with these on.
I feel that way.
I do too.
I mean, I can see the hole.
Especially if I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt.
Look how short it
And
is.
you can see the hole.
The hole is near.
Hey, Eddie, you got a little surf head here.
Get underneath there.
Calm down.
I'm so excited. It's short right now.
I know.
Oh, this one's perfect here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one's fucking like.
Stick a bolt through it.
Yeah, give me a couple bolts.